Hey everyone, I wanted to take a quick minute to show you a couple tools we have access to that will help us in our research and homework. It is the cut, copy, and paste feature. Now many of you may be familiar with these, but we are going to show you some other ways to use these features. So in this video, we will see exactly what is cut, copy, and paste, how do we use it, and how to use its shortcut keys. So for those of you that don't know what cut, copy, and paste is on a computer, it is just like it sounds. It gives us the ability to cut information out of a document, just like a pair of digital scissors. Or we can copy content from one source, such as the internet, and we can paste that content into another source, like a Word document. These three tools are helpful if we want to get rid of unneeded content in a Word document, or if we want to add content we have found on the internet to a presentation without having to type it all over again. This can come in handy with really long text such as a URL, articles, or even pictures we need to move. So let's look at a couple ways we can do this on our computers so we can start using it. One of our class activities is to copy and paste results from a self-assessment we have taken online and paste it into a Word document. The traditional way to do this is to highlight the text you want to copy with your mouse. First, left-click, hold, and drag across the text or items you want to edit. Then you can right-click with your mouse and select which option you want to use. We'll use copy to move the sentence we highlighted to our Word document. And you can see that our text is now in our document. Another quicker way to use these tools is to again highlight our text using our keyboard instead of our mouse. We can do this by holding down the Shift key and using the arrow keys to highlight items. Now that we have what we want highlighted, we can use shortcut keys to copy. Use Ctrl or Command plus C on our keyboard. You can remember this because C stands for copy. And to paste back in what we copied, we use Ctrl or Command plus V. You can remember this because V represents an insert arrow. To cut out what we highlighted, we use Ctrl or Command plus X. You can remember this because the X looks like a pair of scissors. You can also remember which letters cut, copy, and paste are because it's laid out in that order on your keyboard. Cut X, copy C, and paste V. So now you know what cut, copy, and paste is, how we use it, and its shortcut keys.